Hello, Normac here. Alright, umpisahan natin agad ang ating lection today. Ang ating gagawin ngayon ay how to translate binary code into letter or letter into binary. Yes, that is possible. And all you have to do is prepare the ASCII table. Ano ba yung ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. At ito ay may 7 bits. 7 bits yung 1, 2, 4, 8 sa taas. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Ganun yun. Lahat na sila ay times 2. So, for example, I love you. We will translate into binary. I love you. So, I is equal to 73. That's it. L is 76. O 111. V is 118. 101 is E. U is equal to 85. So let's start how to do it. Okay. 73 is 64 plus 8 and 1. 64 plus 8 plus 1. So, in binary, lahat ng highlight is 1. Lahat ng hindi highlighted is 0. Yan yung on and off. Yung on, yung highlight. May highlight. Yung hindi highlighted, yun yung off. So, 1 is on if 0 is off. So, ganyan pagbasa ng binary. So, 73 or I, the binary code of I is 100, 1001. And that's 8. Next is letter L, that is equivalent to 76. So 76, 64 plus 8 plus 4, and that's it. So in binary, that is 1001100. So kung na-translate nyo yung L into binary, that is 1001100. So yeah. Next, letter O, small letter O. Yung makikita nyo sa side. So paano yan? Tingnan nyo lang yung ASCII table sa side kung nasaan yung small letter O. Saan ba yun? Yun. 111. Okay. 111 is 64 plus 32 plus 64, 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. Correct. That is equivalent to 111. In binary, that is 110, 1111. So, yan yung letter O, small letter O sa binary. Next, let's go to letter B, small letter B, that is 118. So, kunin natin ulit sa binary. 64 plus 32 plus 16, 4, and 2. That is 111, 0, 110. So, binary. So, yun ang binary ng letter B o small letter B. Equivalent niya ay 118 sa ASCII code. Next is letter E. So, ganun lang yung pag-compute Yung mga highlighted ay sabihin mong lagyan mo ng 1. Yung hindi highlighted, 0. So, let's go to letter E. 101. Saan yung 101? Good. Okay, 101 is 64, 32 plus 4 plus 1. Yan ay 1100, 101 naman sa binary. So, ganun lang yun. And let's go to big letter U. Big letter U is equivalent niya ay or decimal. Kalimutan kong sabihin. Ang number na ito ay decimal pala yan. Decimal tawag dyan. So, 85 is equivalent to 64 plus 16 plus 4 and 1. So, that is 101, 01, 01. Correct? Yes, 101, 01, 01. Yan yung binary code ng 85. So, yan, gagawa na tayo ng binary. Ganon din ang pagbasa ng binary. Kung makikita nyo yung ganyan, isulat nyo lang sa my table. At pagpaplasin lahat ng may 1. Yung 0, i-disregard nyo yun. Itapat nyo lang yung 1. Lahat ng katapat ng 1, pagpaplasin nyo lahat. At yung equivalent no, na halimbawa 85, tingnan nyo sa ASCII table kung ano yung 85, anong letter yon at yun ang sagot niya. And that's it. Sana may nakuha na naman kayo kahit konti. Masaya na ako doon. And please subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye-bye.